For those of you guys who ever wondered what the piston slap was on my Volvo or any of these B230s, here we go. I got the head off here, and I'm doing the head gasket. I'm going to leave this as it is anyway, but let's see if we get to see the movement. There you can see the fluid coming out from the piston. Oh, there we go. Listen. And they all do this. Let's see, let's get this guy. So there you can see when I moved it back, the fluid coming out. I don't even think you can really see this one. Okay, there you go. This one actually makes noise. Watch the gap. So there you have it. Nothing new. I'm just going to focus. I just cleaned off the deck surface and we're just gonna throw it back together, but there's that noise everybody probably has to start up. It goes away as the car heats up. Obviously the pistons expand because they are aluminum and the block is cast iron. So, but there you have it. Don't plan on fixing it, just gonna leave it as it is. But that's the piston slap you all hear with the 4-cylinder Volvos. Peace out.